Today I'm going to tell you about the virus. So first of all, let me tell you that we study virus in a branch of a biology that is known as virology, and the term virus has been given by a scientist in the 18th century that the virus term means as venom, that means poisonous fluid or poison. So first of all, let me tell you about the basic characteristics of virus. So, the number first characteristic of virus is that the virus is acellular. It means that virus does not contain any cell. And then the number second is that it is infectious intracellular obligate parasite. Intracellular obligate parasite. Intracellular obligate parasite means that it lives inside of the host cell. It, it lives inside of the host cell and it needs to metabolize itself from the host body. Then the number third one characteristic is that virus is is neither a living organism or nor non-living. So today I'm going to tell you about the classification of virus, that why it does not consider as living organism or why does not it considered as non-living organism. So let's start. The number one category that is considering virus as a living organism is that it is having their own genetic material. Either it is DNA or RNA. It depends on the organism. Then the number second one category is that the mutation is possible in virus, that it can replicate easily. Virus replicates, but it made its copies inside of the host cell. Then it is infectious. And the last one is that it can be killed. Then the categories that is considering virus as non-living are that it has the lack of cellular structure. As I told you that virus is acellular, so virus does not contain the cellular structure in which it contains that virus is not having a protoplasm. It is not containing cytoplasm or plasma membrane. Then the number second is that it gets easily crystallized. Then the number third one is that the second one is that virus is not having their own metabolism. It does not metabolize itself on their own, but but virus is doing metabolic activities on the host bodies or the host cell. Then the last one is that it does not growth. It does not grow inside of the outside of the host body. Outside of host cell. So these are the qualities. Then we guys can say that whenever virus is outside the host cell, whenever virus is present outside of the host cell, present outside of host cell, it can be classified as it can be characterized as living or as non-living organism, And if virus is present inside the host cell, so it can be qualified as a living organism.